I'm going to tell you now how to take advantage of the amazing March specials and be beach or pool ready for the summer. This is our Euro straw tote. It comes in this amazing color, coral color or turquoise. This can be personalized. It's a paper straw. It's lined on the inside. And this is regularly a $55 bag. You can get it half price with a $35 purchase. How do you get to that $35 purchase? Well, you can get a coordinating lunch thermal. This is very roomy inside, has a wide base, keeps everything cool at the pool or the beach. And combine that with our Bring a Bottle thermal. Has a drawstring on the top so that you can keep whatever's inside nice and cold. Have those with your straw tote, and you get your straw tote half price. Another option, we have our inside out bag, and to get the inside out bag you could get a $15 thermal, zipper thermal with the eyeglass pouch, or you could get the timeless wristlet right here. This is $28, and you could combine this with our lunch thermal and get one of our other totes. This is actually the Retro Metro. This one is not on special, but it is a great beach bag, so you could get this bag as well for $55. Add one of our thermals or the eyeglass case, and this combined with the eyeglass case would qualify you for 2 of our half price specials. In addition to the inside out bag, which is our reversible bag, our straw tote, the Easy Breezy bag is a great beach bag. Unfortunately, I don't have one here to show you. This is our Cindy tote, which is also one of our special totes. You can get half price. Has 2 outside pockets. It has a lot of inside pockets. I have a lot in this purse. I use it every day. Also has a place right here where you can attach your keys. Zips across the top. I use this bag, like I said, every day. So our March specials are beyond incredible. I hope you're able to take advantage, maybe get 2 or 3 of those specials. Take advantage today. Thanks, ladies.